Hello, let's learn kanji. Let's think on something to remember Japanese numbers. Would not it be nice if it followed the starting pattern of stack lines? Or would it be actually time-consuming and harder to identify when eyes got older? Our goal is to reach balance. What if we take this as a growth process instead? We start off unable to stand on our feet. As we grow, we get better balance standing. A stack of horizontal lines does not need balance because it's flat on ground already. Nothing to worry about gravity. First, let's see a comparison of the glyph origins. We are seeing examples of them in the oracle script and in the clerical script of each one of them. The biggest change we see here is that the 4 and the 5 before had the horizontal stack of lines, and then it became different looking, very different looking. From 1 to 3, we have only horizontal strokes. Let's say the exception first. And then the 8, we have only vertical strokes. For the other numbers, it will be starting with vertical. I'm going so. And then the next one, like 4 will start with a vertical stroke, 5 will start with an horizontal stroke, 6 will start with a vertical stroke, and 7 will start with an horizontal stroke, 9 will start with an vertical stroke, and 10 will start with an horizontal stroke. And then we have that from 1 to 3, the numbers follows the horizontal stack pattern. Back then, until 5, it kept that pattern, but now 4 is like this and 5 is like this. One odd number is about 2 lines intersection, one horizontal, the other vertical. One even number, it will have a dividing part and it increasingly simplify. About 8, in the range of 1 to 10, 8 is the perfect divider because it will be able to divide in even parts more times than any other. 3 times. 8 divided by 2, 4 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2. As for 4, the divider is surrounded above, below, and on both sides. 3 strokes surrounding divider. It's learning to grow out of the old pattern since it's not 4 staked lines anymore, so it's more dependent. The 5 is still learning to grow out of the old pattern. It's not 5 horizontal lines stacked anymore, so it's still dependent but not completely surrounded, only above and below. 6 is only surrounded above the divider by 2 strokes. 7 is an intersection of horizontal and vertical lines. Needs support to stand still so the vertical touch is large, just like a bike with stabilizers. 9 reutilizes the left part of previous divider, 8, and thus an intersection of the vertical line and the horizontal line. Can stand, but the balance has not grown perfect yet. It's failing to stand straight, and in a tightrope sense, the arms lost its track of balance, seems to be failing more than the number 7. Because to have less ground to step is harder to balance. As for 10, finally, 10 can stand in its feet and have a perfect balance. It's fully ground. Back then, it would be just a vertical stroke, and as we saw, 7 would look like 10. To be honest, the vertical appearance have a bigger balance. If you think in a tightrope walk, we're not even using the hands to help in keeping balance. I mean, do you feel more familiar with them now? I hope you like it, this way of remembering them. May God bless your day.